Hey, we're on autopilot. This is Boat Doctor 22 Stabie again. Anyway, I'm going to show you here, which is kind of cool, because I can just put my battery in here, my GoPro, go like that, go back here, while I'm just thinking around, plug it in back here. Oh, that's the 12 volt. Okay, so I have to put it back here. 12 volt. One of these should be a USB port. Huh. Always a bummer when you're trying to get stuff to work. Oh, there it is. Oh, I better see where I'm going. Okay, now I can change this, kick it out of autopilot, go over here, go back to here. See why I can't get this cap off. There we go. Then I can plug this in. There you go, charge it. So while I'm doing this, if that goes dead, then I can charge that battery up. Okay, so now, you got that BTS I was showing you. This is that dual range radar. See, you got it on like cruise control on the RPMs here, and that's your automatic trim is set. So this thing, when I get going, there's an automatic trim. You can go like here, trim assist. I turned it on, and I'll show you how that works. So I'll leave that on. Bring that back. So dual range. See how I got this at a quarter mile, this at 3/4. The reason is, and then I'm going to put this over here, is like say someone was right in front of me and I had that at a mile, I ain't going to see it. Now say I had a quarter mile and that buoy up there, or 1/8 of a mile, and there's a boat there. I said, what the hell, how come I couldn't see that boat? I was in too close. That's what this dual range is really nice, and clear up a lot of the clutter. So if it's foggy, this is really nice, because I can go like a 1/2 and a 1/4 or an 1/8 to see what's close. Now back to this BTS button. Now I can go down, see how it's changing that. Now if I keep going down on that button, see now it's going to go into speed control. So now you'll hear that outdrive kicking off. See how it says neutral? And then I'll go home, back here again, go to AV, go to Yamaha so you can see that. See neutral? It's shutting that gear case off so you can maintain a speed. Speed, we're doing 0.9 miles an hour. So you talk about something that can troll down. Now I'll tell you where your rudder is. See if you steer it. Now I shut that out drive. Now you can just keep going down to 40%. Bring it up to 80. Oh, I need to get up a little faster. Then I'd go into the RPM mode. Okay, so that's that. Like I say, there's a lot here, and as soon as you hit that, that will deactivate it. Right there. And so let me see, what else do I got to show you? I'll just leave it on that one for right now.
What's up, party people? Now you can listen to your favorite station.
Oh, I better get this thing off before the damn wind kicks up, because over here it's pretty nice. Okay, now what I said is I had this auto trim, so I'm going to go to here, go to Yamaha. Watch this right here. So I'm going to give it some gas and pull up the bumpers. You can hit it. And watch this trim. So about 4,000, this thing should start trimming. That's just when the boat's laying there. See how it trimmed by itself without me touching it? If I get it up a little faster, it's going to go up again at about 5,000. There it is. Now I'm not trimming it. Now this is going to start climbing. See how it's climbing at 5,800? And then when I go down, it automatically is going to trim down. Give it a second or two. See how it's dropping? And when you bring it down here, you'll bring it all the way down. Now if I don't want that, you just go over here, trim assist, and you shut it off. Then what you can do is use it manually, like I can hit it. Now I can start trimming right now, which I have. vibrate with that low end stainless steel prop. So I'm going to cruise about right here. Now when you're using your autopilot, you want kind of that boat straight. Okay, then I'm going to hit the big thing. Let's see if that thing started working. Nope. Well, it might have. That should be coming out of there a lot faster than that. Could be it too. I'll hold my finger here for a second, not to be all over the map. But that should really be squirting out of there. Hello, ducky. So. Yeah, see, there's something funky going on with that. Okay. So we'll go back to this. That thing still ain't pumping out water. And I know there ain't another valve unless I'm blind. So then we go back to here. See, and everything works the same back here, the way I got it set up. Media bar. You can't do your autopilot from back here though, because that's a Yamaha. Combo. Do your fish finders. So all that works. Then you go back here. That brings back into here. So now I showed you that. We're down here. Showed you the cruise control. Autopilot. Okay. So we're gonna put this thing in gear. And then of course I showed you all the gauges. Now here's what's kind of cool too. I can go home. I got this one stored in here. But I'll show you the easy way then. Combos. Okay, so I'm going to cruise a little bit here, and then I'm going to put it on autopilot. Now I'm going to go back to the split chart, and I'm going to make a new route, like right here. Okay. So when I do that, I can hit this button, I can hit auto guidance, and it's going to start navigating. Once it does that, then I go over here to track point. It says track point activated. So now that's going to keep me on that course. See how it went all the way up the channel? Boom. I didn't have to go waypoint, waypoint, waypoint. It's just going to take me there. And then I can go stop, I can go back, and it takes me back to the screen. So what I can do is just look out on this one and drag it and still have this one where I'm at. So now let's take the heading line, it's going to take me back on course. Hopefully. And pretty quick it should turn me that way. And then you also got what they call a what is it? Set course. Oh, go back. So now it should start turning me here pretty quick. Now there's a speed control on here too. like trim assist I turned off. You got to go into boat settings, autopilot settings, spacing pattern, you don't want that, calibration, level 4, I'm going to go to level 3 because it's oversteering. So then I'm going to go back here, I'm going to turn this off, bring this back in, then go over here. And then if I want to stop navigating, which is nice on here, I just go like this. Yes, I'm going to save it. Okay. So then we're back on track. Back on track. So they need to tighten that puck down too, because what that's doing is throwing me off a little bit. Heading hold, see what that does. 0-1. Let's go back into gauges again. Let's go to vessels.